Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up TikTok Spark ads for dropshipping creatives, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up TikTok Spark ads for your dropshipping creatives, start by logging into your TikTok Ads Manager account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by visiting the TikTok Ads homepage and following the registration process. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Campaigns tab located on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click the Create button in the Campaigns section to initiate a new ad campaign. Select the advertising objective that aligns with your dropshipping goals, such as traffic or conversions. After choosing your objective, click Continue to move to the next step. Now, set your campaign name and budget. Choose between a daily or lifetime budget for your campaign. Next, head to the Ad Group section within the same campaign. Set your placement preference to Automatic Placement to allow TikTok to optimize your ad delivery across its platform. You can also select Manual Placement if you want more control over where your ads appear. Define your target audience by specifying demographics, interests, and behaviors relevant to your dropshipping niche. Adjust the schedule for your ad group to determine when you want your ads to be displayed. Move on to the budget and schedule settings. Set your bidding strategy according to your goals, whether that's maximizing clicks, conversions, or impressions. Proceed to the Ads section by clicking on Create in the ad group. Choose the Spark Ads option, which allows you to use organic posts as ads. To find the organic post you want to promote, you will need to connect your TikTok account if you haven't already done so. Once you've connected your account, search for the relevant video that features your dropshipping product. Select the post and click Next to proceed. Customize your ad by adding a caption that resonates with your audience and encourages engagement. Include a call to action that directs viewers to your dropshipping website or product page. Review all your settings and make sure everything is aligned with your campaign goals. Lastly, click Submit to launch your TikTok Spark Ads campaign. Keep an eye on the performance metrics within the TikTok Ads Manager to optimize your campaign as needed. This completes the setup process for TikTok Spark ads tailored for your dropshipping creatives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.